In the pursuit of financial success, our beliefs and actions wield incredible power. The narrative we construct in our minds often shapes our reality, influencing our decisions and outcomes. Are you finding yourself stuck in a cycle of financial struggle, battling thoughts that limit your potential? It's time to unravel the common pitfalls and misconceptions that hinder prosperity. In this journey towards mastering financial success, we'll uncover the 10 critical mistakes that can pave the path to poverty. Beyond identifying these pitfalls, we'll delve into the actionable strategies adopted by the most prosperous individuals globally. From reshaping beliefs to fostering a proactive mindset, each step is a key to unlock the doors to financial abundance. Join us as we dissect these 10 missteps, paving the way for a transformative shift in mindset and approach. It's time to rewrite the narrative, empowering ourselves to seize opportunities, cultivate resilience, and embrace the principles that lead to lasting financial prosperity. Hello guys, welcome back to Master Wealth. Do you ever find yourself thinking like, I've always struggled in the past. I'm struggling now, and I do not see how it is ever going to change. There are not enough jobs out there. Since no one else is getting one, I know that I won't. I can never afford anything that I want. Those people that live like that are different, have better skills. I never get a break. The economy is screwed. That means so am I. If you think these types of thoughts again and again, then your thoughts do become reality and you become less productive and cannot get anything in your life. Did you know that many of the richest people in the world were born poor and they were driven by their passion? This is very key here. They were not driven by money, but by what they love doing. If you want to become a rich and successful person, then you must need to quit 10 common mistakes that can make you poor. Let's start with number 10, not having an action plan. Rich people always write an action plan. On the other side, poor people become lazy in acting. Start by creating an outline of steps to take, then charge after exactly what you want. You may also want to make a list of tools, resources, or life coaches to get help. This will save time in reaching your goals. The secret is to act quickly by crushing procrastination. Do it now, even if your plan is imperfect. Avoid negative people and complainers who always stop you from acting on any task. Interacting with these negative people will affect the way you think and feel. Negative people and complainers will drain your energy. Spend as much time as you can with positive people who will help you see life with a different perspective. As Brian Tracy said, negative people are like human black holes. These black holes suddenly come out of nowhere and suck the life out of you. You try to stay positive and remain strong, but their negativity ends up completely draining you. They can make you feel exhausted. Number 9, an organized life. Rich people use an organizer that helps them arrange to-do lists, appointments, notes, reminders, and a directory of contacts all in one place. This will help you take control not only of your work life, but also of your personal life. Poor people always skip this part. Number 8, not saving for emergencies. Although most money experts suggest keeping 6 months' income or more saved away, 50% of the Americans have less than 1 month saved, and the savings rate continues to decline. 64% of young people have no idea what their annual interest rate is for their credit card. People can spend up to 18% more when they swipe a credit or debit card than when they use cash or check as a means of payment. Number 7, failing to maintain a financial record. This is the second common mistake that many people make. If you do not have any idea about your debt or your payment dues, then you will also be at risk of overspending. This way, you lose a good credit rating and will have to pay high interest or penalties. Number 6, middle-class beliefs about wealth. We all have the potential to attract money in our lives as long as we stay active in the hope that there is potential for every business opportunity. If you do not see the positive things like opportunities and patience, but instead focus on an attitude of constant limitations, you'll always be stuck in the middle class category. Number 5. High expectation. Most poor people wait for the perfect time to become successful. And guess what, folks? That time does not exist. The perfect time is none other than right now. Number 4. Not investing money. It always pays to learn about investment. Whatever you set your mind to do, you can do it. A wise man once said that the road to wealth is as plain as the road to the work. To put it simply, reduce your expenses, save the excess, and invest your money after thorough education about investing. Number 3. The fear of failure. It is often said that failure precedes success. If you desire financial success, failure is a natural process that compels us to try again using different techniques. Trust a new bunch of people, change careers, and so on. However, you have to fail first to see the bigger picture. Number 2. Not investing money wisely. Give $1 million to somebody who has been broke for all their life. At first glance, the person may be rich just because they have $1 million in their bank account. The reality is that money is something strange for this man or woman. He's never learned to use it. In a period of 1 or even 2 years, he'll be broke again. And number 1. Poor belief system. Most people think that only something is true if you can see or touch it. The reality is because you can't see it, it doesn't mean it's not there. Poor people or people with a poor mindset say to themselves, "Hey, I don't have enough money, so it is not there." Rich people are taking constant action. Also, stop living in the past. It is also important to forgive those who have hurt you or that you have hurt. Studies show that many of the people that you feel you have offended don't even remember the incident you anguish over. Get into the present and live it to the fullest. The future will take care of itself. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Cheers!